If buying autumn candles at the store always leaves you with a heavy, artificial mall smell and an immediate headache, you aren't imagining things. Most store-bought candles are a toxic mix of paraffin wax and synthetic fragrances that pollute your indoor air. But you don't have to choose between clean air and cozy seasonal scents. Today we are setting the mood for those golden, late August evenings with a gorgeous, spiced, citrus floating Apothecary candle. This is a stunning centerpiece that perfectly bridges the seasons. It pairs the bright, zesty freshness of summer citrus with the warm, nostalgic spice of early autumn. It looks like it came straight out of a luxury boutique, but it only takes minutes to make. Instead of synthetic perfume, we are blending our brand new pumpkin spice blend, which brings that cozy heart note of cinnamon and nutmeg with a crisp splash of lime and liquid luck. This adds a bright note that keeps the heavier spices feeling airy and perfect for August. To fuel the flame, we're using simple fractionated coconut oil, which sits right on top of the water to feed our reusable floating wicks naturally. Let's make it. First, assemble your wicks by pushing them 2/3 of the way through the cork base, leaving just a third peeking out of the foil side. Next, slide your fresh citrus slices flat against the side of your glass jar. Here's the trick. Immediately pack the jar 3/4 full with ice cubes. This will physically hold the fruit against the glass. It also creates a safe buffer zone between the botanicals and your flame. Now, slowly pour your distilled water right over the ice until you're about an inch from the top. Here's a tip. Using distilled or cooled boiled water ensures your display stays crystal clear without any cloudy tap water bubbles. Next, gently pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil into the surface. You'll see a distinct, beautiful pool form. This clear layer of oil will keep your candle burning. Now for the best part. Add 7 drops of liquid luck, 5 drops of lime, 5 drops of pumpkin spice, and 3 drops of lemon eucalyptus right into that oil layer. Give it a tiny, gentle swirl to mix the aromas. Pro tip, if you ever want a longer burn time for a dinner party, just add a splash more fractionated coconut oil to replenish the fuel layer. Finally, gently place your floating wicks right onto the center, foil side up. Here is the result. Here's the result, a warm, flickering, spiced citrus glow. The beauty of the Simply Earth recipe box is that we send you the exact pure essential oils, the specialized tools like these floating wicks, and the recipes you need right to your door. You don't have to hunt down ingredients, you just get to enjoy the process of making your home toxin-free. This recipe is best enjoyed fresh, so just discard the water and fruit after you're done. The floating wicks are reusable, just wipe them dry and store them for the next candle creation. When you finish making your creation, take a photo and share it in our Facebook group or on your own social pages using hashtag #IMadeThis. We love cheering you on, and every month someone wins a $100 gift card to Simply Earth just for sharing. Click the link below to get all the ingredients you need, and let's make it happen. See you in the next video.